Sir, good morning.
This is one of the 4 lawns that we have that you can see over here. Now, as I was talking, we have 5 acres of jungle. Now, and there's a lot of things that you can do in the jungle in the morning, during the daytime, and also in the night. The jungle is open in the night also till 10 p.m. So there's a lot of things, you can go and so once we hire binoculars for free at the reception. So if you are a bird lover, you can hire a binocular from the reception and you go for early morning bird watching. There is a cacophony of birds. You can see a lot of varieties of birds in the morning. So we have created jungle machans. So you can climb up this jungle machans and the kids love it and you can spend some time there. There are a lot of games, entertainment and activities in the jungles like Burma Bridge, Commando Bridge and other things. And this is the night shot. If you see, you can go for night jogging if you wish inside the jungle beside early morning. The hotel has been operational for roughly 10 years now. And during these 10 years, we have won many awards. The prominent being the TripAdvisor Awards, the Traveler Choice Awards, as we call it, for the best resort in India 2 times. We've been voted on TripAdvisor as the 10 best resort in India twice. We have also won the Hotel of the Year award a few years back as well. So rooms part. Now, if you see, this is the bifurcation we have for the rooms. We have, now let me tell you something which is again very unique to Evershine Mahabaleshwar as compared to other hotels in Mahabaleshwar, is that all the rooms are more or less same. When I say more or less same, the size of the room is same, the decor, ambience is the same, the services and amenities that we offer in the rooms are the same. So both rooms are identical to each other, they're replica of each other. Right, the only difference that we have, besides suite rooms, of course, the only difference in rooms that we have created is because of the view. So you have superior rooms, which are basically ground floor rooms facing the forest, executive rooms, which are first floor rooms facing the jungle. We have premier rooms, which are pool facing ground floor rooms. Deluxe are first floor pool facing rooms, and valley view rooms are the rooms which are facing the suites, facing the valley and the lake. Beside that, we have a 1-bedroom suite, which we call Valley View Couple Suite, and we have a 2-bedroom, a family pool view family suite. We have 1 physically challenged room as well on the ground floor. So as I have said, the rooms are more or less identical to each other in terms of look and feel and size, ambience, and amenities. The only difference is about a view. If you see the rooms, let me run you through quickly what we offer inside the rooms. The rooms are roughly around 270 square feet in area. It's a practical room, it is a functional room, and it's quite spacious as well. So you have a writing table, writing chairs. Now, let me tell you, each and every room in the hotel, has got a private balcony with seating arrangement. So you can have your evening tea, coffee, or you can enjoy the morning's forest from the view from your room itself. And each and every room in the hotel is equipped with a large sofa cum bed. You can see here, this is the sofa. This sofa can be opened into a large sofa cum bed, and an adult can fit in very easily. So we don't compromise on space. This sofa can be opened up as a large sofa cum bed, and the third adult can fit in very easily. Beside that, we have the regular offerings of, we have tea coffee makers, we have safe lockers, we have ironing boards, we have hair dryers in each and every rooms, we have hand showers and head showers with 5 control settings, right? So we have a mini bar. So it is there. We have 32-inch LCD TVs, and in the suite rooms we have jacuzzis. This is the jacuzzi you can see. This is there in the suite room. So few more photographs of the rooms. You can see the jacuzzi, which is there in the suite room. This is the living area. This is the living area of the suite room. This is one of the bedroom. Coming to the banqueting facilities inside the resort, we have got perhaps the biggest banqueting in Mahabaleshwar. If you take into account the indoor banqueting space as well as outdoor banqueting space. Outdoor, as I have said, we have roughly 30,000 square feet of lawns, clear lawns without any intervention in between. Unobstructed, clear 30,000 square feet of lawns, which can cater to 1,000 persons wedding. Beside the lawn part, we have 4,000 square feet of indoor banqueting space, out of which Burgundy Hall is the biggest. That is roughly 2,500 square feet. The hall can be divided into two with a partition in between, and so we have two halls, Burgundy 1 and Burgundy 2, which is roughly 1,250 square feet each. Now, post-COVID-19 situation, obviously the things are going to change drastically in terms of banqueting, keeping in mind the social distancing norms. But banquets, which used to be about 3 months back, is that Burgundy can take 2,000 persons theater style and roughly 90% in cluster. Beside that, we have a couple of other halls called Regal and Chambers, which can cater to 50 and 25 persons respectively. So you have a choice of banqueting venues, small and big, inside the resort for the MICE business as well as weddings. Now, this is the view. You can see these are the two Burgundy halls, and this is the partition in between, which can be opened up to club both the halls together and make it a larger hall, which can accommodate 200 persons. These are both the smaller hall. This is the Regal and this is the Chambers, which can accommodate 50 and 25 persons respectively. Coming back to weddings, as you said, like we are a premium wedding destination, and we have done close to 25 weddings last season, and I'm happy to share with you the news that we have 7 confirmed weddings going forward in the next season, which is still not cancelled. So people are very optimistic, and we are also very optimistic. These are a few photographs of the weddings. As I said, most of the mandaps are there in the lobby, which you say this is the mandap which is there in the lobby. This is sitting arrangement in one of the lawns. This is something which has been created beside the pool. So it's very, very beautiful ambience. If you have the, with the palatial backdrop, and this looks amazing. I mean, in the evenings. Coming to the dining options, we have a coffee shop, which is 24 hours coffee shop, one of its kind in Mahabaleshwar. And we were the first hotel in Mahabaleshwar that started serving a very lavish buffet, and we continue to do that. We do not know the situation post-COVID-19 situation. Obviously, we'll start with the digital menu once we start operating. But buffet has been our strength and a big USP over the years. And Mahabaleshwar and Evershine is considered as a food destination in Mahabaleshwar now. People do make it a point to visit one of our multiple dining options whenever they are in Mahabaleshwar, whether they're staying in other hotels or staying in bungalows. But we do get a lot of non-resident guests for dining. So coffee shop is So this is few photographs of our buffet. We serve about 16 salads. We have 14 kind of vegetarian dishes across Indian, continental, Chinese, and we have more than 10 desserts in our buffet, and we have 2 live counters. Besides that, we serve 4 non-veg as well, separately. And we have a huge in-house bakery. We make our breads and pastries in-house. This is Mad Smokehouse. This is something which we have opened a couple of years back, and it has become the leading restaurant in Mahabaleshwar within a very short span of time. And it's an open air restaurant. Of course, it is shut during monsoons, and we open it during just before Diwali, and it continues till summers. Now, now we call it Mad Smoke House because everything related it's with madness of smoke. It has got everything which is related with madness of smoke. Like we have live barbecue, veg separate, non-veg separate. We have live seafood grill. We have slow fire cooking. You can see the pyres over here, wooden pyres over here on earthen pots. The food is cooked slowly in dumpuk style on slow fire, live in front of you. So again, something related with smoke. We have a live display kitchen here, right? Where we have a traditional, conventional wood-fired pizzas. Again, that has got very charcoaly, smoky flavor, not like the typical Domino's or Pizza Hut pizzas. So again, something related with smoke. Uh, we serve barbecue, sizzlers, live grills, slow fire. So this is again, it's open air ambience, and it's got a very rustic ambience. We have sitting on the top of the trees. We have some machans there where you can literally climb, and you can literally sit in among the trees, and have dinner there. This is the bar. It's a well-stocked bar that we have. Nice, cozy place to relax. Gym. We have a in-house gym with all basic facilities. We have indoor play area as well with carom, chess, and pool table, right? Spa. Coming back to the spa, as I said, we have one of the biggest spa in Mahabaleshwar, 5,000 square feet. We have an in-house doctor, Ayurvedic physician, and we do Panchkarma and other Ayurvedic treatments over here. And beside that, we have a big saloon. We have steam rooms. We have reflexology lounge. We have a couple suite. So it's a big spa. I mean, so here are a few shots about the spa. You see, this is the Ayurvedic thing. This is the corridor of the spa. We have several therapy rooms adjacent to each other. This is the saloon that we have. Now, again, I will reiterate and like to highlight again that we give a lot of value for money to the guest. We give a lot of value. Buffet is obviously complimentary. We do not sell our restaurant with an EP plan. The breakfast buffet is perhaps the biggest and most lavish and most grand in Mahabaleshwar. Beside the breakfast buffet, evening tea coffee snacks is offered complimentary. Beside evening tea coffee snacks and the breakfast buffet, what we offer is a series of complimentary adventure sports activities like rock climbing, jumping, archery, crossbow, rappelling, water jobbing. And beside the outdoor adventure sports, we have indoor complimentary activities every day in-house like karaoke, housey, face painting, puppet show, hair braiding, caricature, magic show, live band, list is on and on. These are all complimentary, gentlemen. This is a slice of our adventure area. You can see the crossbow and archery and the rock climbing thing here. So a lot of activities. The Evershine is a destination in itself. Once you are there at Evershine, you can go for early morning trekking to Wilton Point for an amazing sunrise, which is just 7 meters. You can walk to the market, which is just 800 meters. And then you can come back to the resort and enjoy everything the resort has to offer. You have a lot of things to explore inside the resort as well. You can go for early morning bird watching. You can go for rock climbing. You can go for cycle trekking. You can take your cycle within the premises, outside the premises with the guide, inside the jungle, right? You have this is something we call night jungle safari. In the night you have jungle machan, jungle train, jungle herd, jungle sports. We have poolside dinner. We arrange for strawberry farm visit also. If you're interested in plucking vegetables, you can go and pluck vegetables from adjoining farms. You can pluck the vegetable. This is free of charge. Only you have to pay for the strawberries that you pluck. So Wilton Point. There's another point called Switzerland Point. So we combine both this point together, and we go. There's a professional which takes you for trekking with a medical kit and trekking kit and water bottles. Everything goes along with that. A lot of activities for the kids. There's something we have Fairyland Castle where and we give any girls checking in, teenage girls below 12 years. right? We give a fairy wings, magic wand, and crown complimentary. So then they can take this and go to the Fairyland Castle and take photographs and post on the Instagram. There's a lot of rare trees in the jungle which you can identify. Like we have herb tree, we have cinnamon, we have cloves. So you can go and identify this tree and you can win a prize. This is our in-house vegetable garden. So you see, we grow our little vegetable garden. The interesting thing about the vegetable garden is that it's just next to our open air restaurant, Mada Smokehouse. So you can go and pluck your vegetables in a basket, give these vegetables to the chef in the nearby, in the live display kitchen that we have in the restaurant. And the chef will be more than happy to cook it for you. Or you can be part of it. You can wear the chef cap and the apron and you can cook along with the chef. Even the kids can do that. So it's something very unique to our resort. We have been, there's a few pictures, flower pictures of the resort, right? And we've been award-winning horticultures and floricultures that we have. And every year we've been winning the first prize for our flowers from Mahabaleshwar Municipal Corporation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is from it. I hope you enjoyed the PPT and the video. I'll be more than happy, myself and my colleague, to take any questions and answers.
So, thank you, Manojji. Very, very informative and perfectly given presentation. If you can just stop sharing your screen, Manojji, please.
Sure.
So, moving on to our next segment, that is the auction for today. So, before we go on to that, we will be just putting in the links for the future webinars that we have tomorrow and day after. So the list will be in the chat box right now, put in by Siddharth. People who've joined us a little later can please log on to those links and register as soon as possible. Two things for everyone to note, please. We will be starting at 11 o'clock tomorrow, number one. Number two, if you have already not updated or re-updated your Zoom app, it would be better if you do that, because you might face an issue logging in again tomorrow. So just please reinstall your Zoom app and update it again, please. Thank you. Moving on, so we'll start with the polls first and then we'll go on to the auction. So the polls, Manojji, we have these polls, we have this contest every day that we spoke about, and we asked few questions to all the participants, and against which they get the winners get a few complimentary nights at your hotel. So moving on to the first question, the question will be on your screen right now. What is the total outdoor area in terms of lawns at the hotel? So 76% of the people have given the answer as 30,000 square feet, and that is the correct answer. It is 30,000.
That is the right answer, yes.
Second question, on your screens, are evening tea, coffee and snacks complimentary in the hotel? %96% of the people have given the answer as yes, and once again that is the correct answer.
Right answer.
Third question for today, how many therapy rooms does the Soham Spa have? Manojji, I think you've been very clear in your PPT and people have been paying attention. So 56% of the people have given the answer as 8 rooms, and that is in fact the correct answer. They have 8 therapy rooms. Fourth question on your screen, what is the exterior of the resort made of? The options are granite, Dholpur, red sandstone and marble. Once again, majority of you have given the correct answer. The answer is Dholpur red stone. Last question for today. I think this is by far the easiest question. How far is the main market from the resort? I think Manojji stressed upon this right at the start of the PPT. Yes, and 62% of the people have given the answer as 800 meters. So as you now know, the main market of Mahabaleshwar is only 800 meters from the resort. You can just walk it up if you want to go for a short stroll. and buy something from the local market. So we'll be announcing the winners, of course, tomorrow for these polls. And moving on to our next segment, we will now be doing the live auction. So I'll just read out the terms and conditions for today's auction. Just give me a second, please. So as everybody knows, today we are auctioning 2 nights at the Evershine Resort, Mahabaleshwar. There will be on 2 nights for MAP for the base category room. The validity of the same would be up till 31st March 2021. The bidding will start at 2,000 rupees with an increment of rupees 100 only. Again, I'm repeating, please. If you are bidding at 2,000, somebody else will have to bid at 2,100 and 2,200 and then 2,300. You cannot directly go on to 2,500 or 3,000 or 4,000. The rack rate, the bar rate for approximately for these 2 nights, more or less goes up to around 17 to 18,000 rupees for 2 nights. So you know how much you should bid for these 2 nights. It will be on double occupancy. I will be making the chat available and open for all the attendees to write down their bids in the chat box. And it will be for 2 minutes. The timer today is for 2 minutes, and at the end of the timer, again the highest bidder will be proclaimed the winner. So I'll just turn on the chat. So I will be starting the timer in 3. Just 1 second. In 3, 2, 1, and start. 2,100, 2,200, 2,300, 2,400, 2,500, 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000, 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 36, 37, 38, 3,900, 4,000, 4,100, 4,200, 4,300, 4,400, 4,500, 4,600, 4,700, 48, 49, 5,000, 5,100, 5,200, 53, 54, 5,500, 5,600, 5,700, 58, 59, 6,000, 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, 6,400, 6,500, 66, 67, 68, 6,900, 7,000, 7,100, 7,200, 73, 74, 75, 76, 7,700, 78, 7,900, 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,300, 8,400, 85, 86, 87, 88, 8,900, 9,000, 9,100, 9,200, 9,300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 9,900, 3, 10,000, 10,000. 10,000 is the bid. The highest bid was 10,000. We will be announcing the winners in about 2 minutes. Just bear with us. We will be just announcing the winners in about 2 minutes, please. Because there are a lot of winners. There are a lot of people who have given 10,000 as the bid. We just need to see who's given it first. So Manojji, I hope you liked that small segment of ours.
Yeah, very interesting, very interesting.
Thank you so much. So everybody, please stay with us just for another 15, 20 minutes as we are just ending this webinar today. We'll be taking up the Q&As for the hotel. So Manojji, we have a few Q&As that a lot of agents have asked us.
Right.
And the first question is from an agent. He's asking that now that we are very close to opening up, is Evershine Hotel Mahabaleshwar coming up with a package that will be like something that will attract the customers more? Are you coming up with a spot offer or something like that?
Of course, when we open, and most probably, Rishabh, we will open on 1st of July. That is my sense, right? So if we open somewhere in July, it will be during the peak of monsoons. And so monsoons, obviously, the rates will be on the lower side. That is one. And number two, obviously, we will have packages, 2 night, 3 night packages, where and monsoons, as I said, stressed in my presentation also. Mahabaleshwar is more or less closed. You know, there are few hotels which are operational. There are few hotels which shut down. So the dining option outside the resorts become very limited. Of course, monsoon becomes very beautiful, but the dining options outside the hotel is limited. So ideally, we like our guests to stay inside the premises and enjoy the activities, enjoy the spa, and enjoy the food as well. What we can do, and we are looking at, is having a package which includes your food in the rooms, which includes your food, room, and spa all clubbed together. So obviously you can expect it. And these prices are going to be rock bottom. Let me assure you that.
Okay. Thank you, Manoj. So we have the winners for the auction that we did right now. It was a very close fight. There were 4 people who had given the bid at 10,000. That was Mr. Jayant Chheda, Dhwani Pakhai, Narpad Mehta, and Jatin Mehta. But there's only one winner, and the winner is Mr. Jayant Chheda. His rate came up to us first. So he's the winner. And so, Jayant bhai, congratulations once again. And,
congratulations to you, Mr. Jayant Chheda. Congratulations. Look forward to welcome you.
So we'll contact you later regarding this. So moving on to the questions once again, sir. If there's a group coming into the hotel, this question is by Mithun Gada. I think this can apply to a group or to a wedding, actually, both. There is a group coming in with at the hotel. Do you allow to get us our own chef?
Yeah, that is something. Yeah. See, we've been doing a lot of weddings, and most of these weddings are vegetarian, and out of these vegetarian weddings, most of the weddings are Gujarati and Marwari weddings, and few of them are Jain weddings. Now, what happens? Typically the requirement is for this kind of weddings where they want to bring in their outside caterers or their own cooks. Now, being standalone properties, what we have over the years, we have this flexibility. You know, we have hired Maharaj. We have 2 Gujarati Maharaj, we have 2 Marwari Maharaj, we have a Bengali sweet makers. These are like people we have brought it from Gujarat or Rajasthan or from West Bengal. So these are people who are especially hired for keeping the wedding or the wedding business, wedding catering in mind. So we don't allow outside cooks, but we do have the expertise to cater for a typical Marwari or Gujarati cuisine. That is one. And what we can do is the flexibility that we can offer, that you can bring in a couple of cooks, we can cook along with our own chefs and share the expertise. So to that extent, we are flexible. I hope that answers your query.
Another question, Manojji, to you would be: is there an option? Do you have a driver's quarters or a servant's quarters at your hotel where the drivers and maids or servants can stay?
Unfortunately not. We don't have any maid accommodation or any driver accommodation. But we do have an area where they can take a shower. And so that facility we have. But of course, as far as sleeping facility is concerned, we don't have. But they can have a meal in our cafeteria and they can take a shower. So these facilities we have inside the resort. What we have done that we have tied up with very nearby hotels, and you get rooms at very cheap prices, dirt cheap prices. So we can facilitate that. Help you arranging accommodation for your driver and the maid.
Okay, fine, sir. The next question would be from Sanjay Shah. Do you have any specific honeymoon package wherein you include a candlelight dinner? Or arranging, decorating the room?
Yeah. correct. Yeah, yeah, we do have. Let me tell you, there's another interesting aspect which I missed, and for all the attendants, that by default, when you check in, even you don't mention your birthday and anniversary date, if we come to know that it is your birthday and anniversary, there's a complimentary 250 grams cake that we offer complimentary from us to each and every guest who is celebrating his birthday or anniversary in the hotel, free of charge. Most of these are surprise, from the hotel side. Now, coming back to the anniversary package, yes, we do have a anniversary package if you are celebrating your anniversary, right? So it's a full board meal. So when I say full board meals, you have an options where you are staying for 2 nights. You can have meals at our coffee shop. You can have one meal in at the Jungle Machan, right to the center of the jungle. You can have one meal in our Mad Smokehouse, next to the pool site, right beside the pool, and all of these are candlelight dinners, completely decorated, and of course, strawberry wine and cake and flower decoration in the room from our side.
Okay. So another question by Hetal Bhuta. They are asking, can you provide packages from Bombay or from Pune wherein you yourself can give a package including the car pickup and drop from home to home, basically? Can you do that?
Yeah, we have those kind of packages where if you want to, you don't have your own transport facilities and you want to avail transport facilities, whether you're residing in Pune or in Mumbai, or you want to get it picked up from the airport and dropped back. In either of the cases, we have packages where the treatment for taxi charges are included. And of course, when I say taxi charges, we also give packed meals, provide packed meals when you come to the resort and when you go back as well.
Okay. Harish Doshi is asking, is there a rate difference if they book Evershine from Classic Holidays and if they book through an online portal?
See, earlier there was some sanctity to the rates, between what we used to offer to the offline travel agents and to the online travel agents. But of late, what has happened in the recent past, everything has gone for a toss. See, as a business, we push uniform rates to all the online travel partners, right? And as far as the offline traveler partners are concerned, we try to give more incentive, right? More discount or more commission, right? But sometimes it becomes very difficult, and on odd days, in some cases, the online travel agents, they drop the rate so drastically that which we don't offer. To be honest, we do a very honest and transparent business. But having said that, if there is on a case-to-case basis, if there's a case where we have offered a rate which is where the online rates are lower, what we do, we don't not only match the rate, but we offer 5 to 10% less than what they have got online. So that is our commitment as a business. I guess this is fair.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. And another agent, the name is not given. He or she is asking. There are two questions actually. Do you have interconnected rooms? Number one. And do you have a pure? I think you don't have a pure veg restaurant, but I think what you can answer is, do you have two separate compartments where veg and non-veg is cooked?
Right. Good. So we don't have interconnected rooms, but we have 2-bedroom suites and 1-bedroom suites. As I said, the rooms are not spread out for Evershine. They are not typical bungalows or cottages which are spread out. So we have a corridor and all the rooms are adjacent to each other. So you can, if there's a big family or group, they can have rooms which is in series. And so that is advantage that we have. Coming back to your question, what was the second question, Yusuf?
The second question was, do you have a separate pure veg restaurant?
Yeah, sure. Right. So what we have in our coffee shop is that there's a separate non-veg section and there's a separate veg section, right? So non-veg food is kept completely separate from the veg. So keeping the sensitivity in mind. Also, if you go to our outdoor dining option, Mad Smokehouse, where you have live grills. So we have veg grill separate, non-veg grill separate. You have live barbecue. Again, the veg barbecue is separate and live barbecue is separate. So we have, I know, been here for 10 years. So I know that Mahabaleshwar has got a very strong vegetarian flavor, very strong Gujarati flavor, very strong Marwadi flavor. So we are keeping those sensitivity in mind. We are taking all precautions. So need not worry. We have a separate veg kitchen, by the way, for you to come and have a look, right? This is completely separate veg kitchen with separate walk-in, separate cooking facilities, separate storage facilities, and especially from the point of wedding as well. That is important.
Okay. And sir, just one, I'll be making an announcement once again.
Yeah.
People who've not registered for tomorrow's Summit Hotels and Resorts webinar, it's at 11 o'clock tomorrow. We are putting up the link for that and for the call group for on Wednesday at 11 o'clock, again in the chat box. Please copy paste it on your notepad and register later, or you can register now also. So another question actually asked by Siddesh Sood, actually it's a very good question. To compete with these online giants, is there a possibility that offline players like us get some additional benefit, like if you can give 500 or 1,000 rupees room credit that can be used in the spa? Is that possible?
We do that, and this is a very good question, in fact, and this is something that we encourage. And good that this question has been put forward. See, whenever you buy a room, say for say hypothetically 10,000 rupees for 2 nights, right? And what we will ideally like you to take, we give you is a food credit of meal credit of 500 rupees, spa credit of 500 rupees. Right? So this is something we encourage, and I strongly feel this is a win-win situation for everyone. It's a win-win situation for the hotel, it's a win-win situation for the travel agent, and it's a win-win situation for the customer as well. So, so 500 rupees meal credit and 500 rupees spa credit, something which we encourage you to take. So I don't mind. I hope that answers the question.
And this question, actually, it's a very generic question. A lot of hotels have answered this. If you can answer it in your own words, how is the hotel being prepared after you open up in terms of hygiene and safety?
See, one thing, let's take into context Mahabaleshwar hotels, right? I'm not demeaning anyone, but I'm just highlighting my strengths as well as post-COVID-19 situation is concerned when we open up the hotel. Okay.
Yes.
So if you see Mahabaleshwar, most of the hotels, I mean all the hotels, they are typically have cottages and bungalows like spread out, right? And some of these are carpeted hotels also. So it's very difficult to maintain an upkeep from hygiene point of view. Now, as I said, the biggest advantage that I have in my hotel is that everything is hard flooring, right? Whether this is lobby, the corridors, the rooms, the restaurant, the spa, gym, public area, of course not the gym, but that is the wooden flooring. But everywhere else we have a hard flooring, and this is something which is so easy to maintain. This is something so hygienic. Even my room, see, let me tell you, Rishabh, you must be aware, and most of the attendees here, we're the first hotel to operate operational 365 days a year in Mahabaleshwar, proper Mahabaleshwar. First hotel, only hotel which was operational 365 days a year, because we took a lot of pride in upkeep and hygiene. My hotel is as fresh during the monsoons as it is there in summertime, right? Well, of course, other necessary precautions that we are going to take is, and we have already have a plan and of action in place. We have already have an internal standard operating procedure in place, where as soon as, in fact, we're planning to hotel the open on 8th. Like we're geared up to open the hotel if we start, or if somebody asks me to open the hotel tomorrow or day after. If we have purchased all the equipment that is basically necessary. We have food operated sanitizers in place. We have adequate number of masks and hand sanitizers. We have infrared thermometer in place, right? We have equipped all the staffs with disposable gloves, goggles, and masks and hand sanitizers. When we start, we intend to sanitize the room completely and to give a resting period of say 48 hours to 72 hours before the other room is resold again. So we are not planning to sell the rooms back to back. So we are going to give some resting period of say 48 hours, 72 hours when a thorough sanitization is done and the room is completely disinfected. Same goes with public areas where the minimum social distancing norm of 6 feet or 3 feet, 1.6 meter is maintained, and we are already have a digital menu in place. So you don't have to touch the menu. So you can offer, you have a digital menu, room service menu, and you have a digital coffee shop menu in place. So you can offer it all the public areas, whether it's elevators or any areas where people are prone for touching. That is going to get sanitized frequently throughout the day. So do not worry. I mean, we are a hotel which have taken pride in upkeep and maintenance very fiercely throughout the years, and will continue doing that in post-COVID-19 situation.
Great.
Remain list assured.
Thank you, sir. I think that brings us an end of this amazing webinar. Thank you, Manoj, for taking time out and coming online today with us and giving
Thank
us
you, Rizal.
amazing presentation because there are agents not only from Maharashtra, there are agents from Gujarat and Delhi and MP, in fact,
Right.
from all over India who've been joining this webinar. And I'm sure that after this webinar, they'll be much more confident in selling your hotel in a better way. So thank you once again.
I also thank everybody to be being part of this webinar, and I look forward for your support and patronage. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir. And
Thank you.
just another one last time, we would like to request everybody to please log in and register for tomorrow's webinar. It's for the Summit Hotels and Resorts, and they have more than 10 to 15 properties in the northeastern region, and it's an amazing chain of hotels. So we will be seeing you again tomorrow. Thank you very much for being here today with us. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks.